Hi, I'm Odd, and I'm gonna teach you how to create a message logger with Inventor.guide. So go to the website, obviously, go to dashboard, select your bot. If you don't have one, create one. I'm gonna use my security bot because it doesn't have a message logger yet. Go to settings and make sure that intents, server members, and message content are both enabled. Click update if you change any settings, and then go to message cache to make sure that this is also enabled, and then click save changes and it will pop up here. Click on the plus next to components. Then make sure you select flow. Call it anything you want. I'm gonna call it message deletion logger because we're gonna make two loggers today, a message deletion logger and a message edit logger. Those are going to log messages that get deleted and edited. I'm gonna set the trigger to delete, if I can spell, message deleted, add block. Just follow me here, I know exactly what I'm doing. Type in if statement, then get the channel ID of your logging channel. In my case, it's this channel. Insert variable, message deleted, channel ID, comparison, click on the arrow, click on equals. I always do case insensitive, just in case there's letters in there. It is not needed since message IDs, channel IDs don't contain letters. And then we're gonna do exit flow, drag that into the if statement. Everything that this does is make sure that if the message is deleted in the channel of the logger where everything gets logged, that it doesn't log it again, because otherwise if you delete the message, then it's going to loop itself because it's deleting a message in the logging channel. So that's just my preference. But now we're gonna get to the actual send message part, because we're gonna do send or edit embed message. Click on it, set this to your channel ID of the logger, allow mentions off, false. You don't want someone to get pinged randomly because they were somehow mentioned in the logging channel. That's just not good. Set the color to hashtag FF0000. It's gonna make it red since it's deleted. Make this message deleted, and then I'm gonna make this a little fancy. You can make it very simple. Let me just make it fancy. User, this is going to be bold. Insert variable, message deleted, and then we're going to do author ID. What's actually needed is get user block. Drag that just below this one. Make sure it's not in the if statement, because otherwise it doesn't run unless it's the message is deleted in the channel of the logging channel, and you don't want that. Message deleted, author ID, and then get channel because we want to know in what channel it's deleted. So get channel ID, message deleted, channel ID. If I'm going too quick, you can slow down the video. Send or edit embed message. I'm gonna do insert variable here, user, mention, and I'm gonna do in brackets in a sort of code block thing. So between these, I don't know what you call that, but that makes it a code block. Get user ID. That's gonna store the user ID right next to the mention. And then channel, insert variable, get channel ID, and then within brackets, this is just my preference. You can do whatever you want because you have all of these variables that you can all use. So do whatever you want. And then the most important thing, why everything gets logged, message content. I'm gonna do a new line, then 3 of those code things, then a new line, 3 of those code things, and then go back 1 line and make a space between these. That can be done way simpler, but that's just my way. Insert variable, message deleted, previous message content. It's not called message content because the content doesn't exist anymore, so it's called previous message content. And now if we go to my Discord server, everything gets logged here. If we just send E in general and we select delete, it gets sent here, where we still have to do the edited thing. But this is the entire, I would actually switch the ID and the name, but anyway, this is the entire part for the deletion. It was that simple. And we're gonna copy this, so 3 dots, and then duplicate, because we don't need to do everything again. We can just do this again and then rename it to message edit logger. Remove the copy part, and then if we go to the flow again, so it refreshes it. If statement, you're gonna want us to do the same thing here. If statements, keep everything the same. The only thing you want to change is send or edit embed message, and remove deleted, make it edited. And then if we search up orange hex code, hashtag FFA500, click on message deleted because the trigger is now deletion. Change the trigger to edit, message edited, and now it actually works. But now it only displays 1 message. So what we're gonna do is message edit logger and make it previous message content, and then get message. We're gonna do that behind channel, just so it has time to update. Message channel ID, message edited, channel ID, message ID, message edited, message ID. And then we're going to do a new line. I'm going to make it a little more organized by adding a space between channel and previous message content. New message content. The same thing again, message, and then now get message and message content, because now it gets the new content from the message. And if I go back to Discord and I send E, then now it says new previous message content EE, new message content EEE. So it actually gets the old and the new one. That's your entire tutorial.